Welcome back to East Cobb Homestead. Fall is upon us. It's getting a little cooler here in Georgia, and we decided we wanted to show you one of our favorite fall meals. I call this kielbasa hash. It's kind of just a hash up of certain things. It's cubed potatoes, skin on, bell peppers. We use red and yellow, Valdelia onion, and kielbasa. You can use any kind of sausage, really. But the reason this is a special meal is because we cooked it entirely with no electricity. We use something called a rocket stove, and it is a small brick stove that you've built outside. We're going to show you some small clips of this video. This is something that you can use when maybe the electricity goes out, if things ever get really hard in this year 2020 and we don't have electricity or anything like that. This is a meal that you can cook for your family. This feeds a family of 4. We have 2 kids and both of us, and it's a very hearty meal. I usually cook it in the fall and winter times because it is very hearty, and I hope you all enjoy learning a little bit how to use some outdoor cooking. I'd also like to mention why using a rocket stove for cooking is a great option. If you don't have a whole lot of wood, or if your wood is wet, a rocket stove takes very, very little wood, just small pieces of wood. Also, if you don't want anybody to know that you're cooking outside for whatever reason, this gives off very little light and very little smoke. So those are 2 of the reasons that you can really utilize this if you don't have a whole lot of electricity right now, or at any point in time. Ooh, that smells good. What is that? This is the finished product. Not 1 ounce of electricity was used to make this meal. Okay guys, so that was our kielbasa hash, cooked entirely outside with no electricity used at all. Blake added some cheese, which gives it a little extra something. Very yummy, very hearty, very filling. The kids love it. It's easy to do. If you still want to do it indoors, you can cook it indoors. Just remember to cook the potatoes first, because they take a little bit longer and you want them a little bit crispy. Take those out, and then cook your veggies and whatever meat you're going to use for it, and then you put it all together. If you liked our video, give it a subscribe, give it a like, give it a share. We greatly appreciate y'all doing that, and y'all have a wonderful evening. Thank you.